Don't hurt yourself back there, brother. Give me some of the blue cords out of there. So don't get stuck in the motor. Ready? That's what tipped him. I bet you that's what done it.
I'll get you back up when we're bringing it back and have it on the trip.
You're draining. You're pumping out.
Why?
Look right here. Your bilge pump's snoozing.
In the middle of Henderson, Louisiana.
There you go.